In this tutorial, we will learn how to work with notifications. Let's figure out what kinds of notifications GanttPRO offers. For this, we need to go to the Notifications settings. There are two ways to do it. You can open Notifications and click on the gear sign. Or open the Profile settings and go to the Notifications tab. I will review them all one by one. The first one is Notify about deadlines. If the task you are assigned to has a deadline, you will receive a notification about it. You can set up the time interval days before you will receive a notification. Then goes Notify me about a start date of my task. It means that you will receive a notification about a start date of a task you are assigned to. You can set up the time interval days before you will receive a notification. Then goes Notify when someone mentions me. If you have been mentioned in a comment to a task, you'll receive a notification. Then you see Notify when someone assigns me a task. You will receive a notification in case someone has assigned you a task. Then goes Notify about comments in my tasks. It means that you will be notified about comments in a task you are assigned to. And the last one is Notify about attachments in my tasks. If someone has attached a file to a task you are assigned to, you will receive a notification. By default, all these notifications go to your email. But you can also turn on the push options for your browser. Please note that all the notifications go to the activity feed as well, and this option can't be turned off. You can quickly open any task from the activity feed simply clicking on it. I will go back to the notification settings to show you some more options. Here, you can turn the support chat off, so it won't appear at the bottom right corner anymore. If you do not want to play a sound when receiving a notification, there's an option for this too. Also, you can turn off email notifications on special offers and updates. Notifications can simplify your work on projects. In GanttPRO, it is very easy to set them up. Do you use notifications? Please leave your comments below and plan your projects with GanttPRO.